Okay, welcome back to Dewan Trade. This is Dewan. So today is April the 17th, 10:20. So 10:20 a.m. PST. So today we're gonna trade this account, which is only the distribution to withdraw to liquidation is only like 260. Yeah, we suffer from two severe like loss in the previous days. So a lot of accounts suffer from great loss. Um, so today's profit goal is like 250. So either I blow this account, or the distribution draw down raise back to 500 to 600 or something. So in 5 minute chart, this is uptrend. But even in 15 minute chart is uptrend, like consolidate and uptrend. But in 4 hour, we'll see. We are seeing 4 hour. This is probably the all-time high. It's very close to all-time high. And fall back. This is just go downtrend. And now in the past 2 weeks, then it just bounce back here. So it's like approaching the all-time high. So either way is possible. It can drop or it can go up. So when can we go long? I think if it has an upward engulfing at this part, because the previous resistance becomes the latest support. So if it has an upward engulfing, then we can go long and targeting price level, targeting profit is right here. Um, Otherwise, this is a critical price level. Let's see. Trend line. So we can draw the trend line, something. So now you break this trend line, maybe retest somewhere. When can we go short? You just retest the lower bound of this trend line and then show a downward engulfing. But if it does not close underneath somewhere here, then I will still think it's uptrend, so I will still go long. Wait for the upward engulfing. This is especially true for ES. That's the ES trend line. The thing is that this is very difficult to check because um, oh, it looks like ES has more intention to go up. See, it has already retested this resistance for NQ, but for ES, the resistance from the market open is here, which is far away, and get some rejection, which means the buyers are still very strong. Let's wait for the compression of the upward engulfing and go long from there. Yeah, let's wait for the compression. This is the last meeting. It may be a start, and we would like to see a reverse setup. Oh, see, never conclude until last second. Something happened. Oh, what happened? Hey, it looks like some news come up, and suddenly some momentum jump in. Let's see. So for NQ, it's already at a resistance somewhere here. This is the resistance. This is support zone. Previous resistance now become, after it break out, it becomes a support. Let's see if this support is effective. and a little bit intimidating to go short here because this is a big, like big drop, downward momentum. But for NQ, it's a little bit intimidating. Maybe it starts bounce back from here. I don't know. But for ES is not reached here. So if we trade ES, we'll see. Yeah, I just see all this happens in the last minute. Some big downward momentum comes in. Oh, it does not retest at this time. I mean, it will retest somewhere and probably here. Retest to unit 21. So I'm not there to go short at here because it will retest. If it retest to unit 21, then I cannot afford the stop loss distance. So maybe it's sideways after the stretch. There are a couple of consolidating. But overall, it's still uptrend for today. Oh, some upward momentum comes back. Let's see now. It looks like if there is an upward engulfing, then this is a divergence. See here, this is the last time, and now the RSI is way lower than here, but the the price action is way higher than here. Same thing here. So we see RSI divergence. Let's see. Yeah, we see a very obvious like RSI divergence. So much like RSI drop slump, but the price action does not drop accordingly. Oh, oh, buyers cannot push it back. Buyers cannot push it back. Wait a couple of more 5 minute candle and see. Um, so my stop loss will be here. It goes to a layer like previous high, but it should not outpace here. So we'll see. Okay, buyers still pushing out. Maybe I should move to somewhere close to ENA 21. Why ENA 21 or 22 or 20? It doesn't matter. Think of this line as an area rather than a single line. So 20 or 22 something is allowed here. So think of this as an area. So this is from 4 hour chart. Then the all-time high is here. So somebody gonna sell something. So I'm not sure if it's some news or some big players just release all their holdings. I don't know because this is already in the all-time high area, I guess. Let's change time frame. Time frame. Okay. Days, like 1 week. Yeah, you see, if it's a weekly chart, this the past 3 weeks is crazy, especially this week, but it is approaching the all-time high. Before that is so many weeks during the Iran war that it keeps dropping, 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 and now something back right here. Oh, it got rejected here. So time frame hours, maybe I should switch to 1 hour. For 1 hour is still no for 1 hour so far. 30 minutes is like in golf. Let me see it here. 1 hour. Okay, it's around here. So maybe it retest to somewhere here. Yeah, even for 1 hour, I'll need to go short here because this is already engulfing. We'll see multiple 15 minutes something. We'll see 15 minutes. What about 15 minutes? Okay, still here. See? Previous something. So be patient. It will probably retest here. So I mean, even out of here, it still retest. But if it outpace here in engulf this one, then that's something we need to avoid. So that I will say this is gonna be my stop loss. Learn to be patient by watching 15-minute chart. So if we trade 15-minute chart, something like here, yeah, and the stop loss will be here. We'll see. If, if it keeps drawing down, then it's not okay to go short. But if we engulf it, maybe we can follow a short and target the stop loss here. But it's still too far away from ENA 21, so I'm not feeling comfortable. We'll go short here. Even go long. I mean, we cannot go long somewhere around here. That is far away from ENA 21. We would like to wait for it to test like ENA 21 and then yeah, go upside. Yeah, wait for the upward engulfing around ENA 21 and put a limit order somewhere around here and wait for this trend. Now it's too far away from ENA 21. No, just wait. Okay, now I'm gonna fight back. You can see down, and this is like a double bottom. So you're gonna going up, but even for arriving here is a retest. We'll see, because this candle is too huge, and I'm not sure if somebody is waiting around here still. But if there is a bearish sideways something around here, then it's another story. Trend channel. We'll see. Maybe it's a bearish flag and keep continue the downward something. In that case, this is gonna be a reverse. I'm not sure. I would set stop loss on a 15-minute chart. Yeah, which is possibly here. Yeah, let's play. So we'll see who gets in touch first. It looks like NQ retest more aggressively. And ES is more reluctant to retest, to go up. Let's see. Okay, buyers still trying to push it up. This time, if there's an engulfing and close underneath this trend channel, then I think I'll probably trade ES because the range is smaller. See, NQ, the range is so big. If the downward, the seller want to push downward candle that engulf this upward candle. But for ES, it's relatively smaller. 2 more minutes, we'll see. As long as it's still in channel, then the flag pattern will probably continue. We'll see. Some support at the lower bound of the channel, push it up, but we'll see. Some big players, some big sellers are waiting here. If some of this gets hit, then I'll cancel the other one. See, NQ is green star, where ES is something like a bearish candle, red candle. So that's the divergence. So I think NQ might probably trigger my limit order first. Oh, and see how it reacts. Let's see. Okay, the first meeting is go up so much. So Okay, almost trigger. Almost, almost. Okay, get me on board. And let's see. I'll cancel. I'll cancel. Yes, order. We'll see from there. Let's see the mini order. I think an acceptable something will be here. What do you think? Buy, buy two. Oh, the liquidation is here. So just one spot. Because it does not make too much sense. We leave like $50 right there. If the liquidation is here, $200, then we'll see. If this is it will be rejected here. Some big player here push it down. Hey, big player. Okay, ES approaching the ENA 21. Let's see. Mm-hmm. Hey, big seller, when do you come back? So if I fail for this trade, then I'm gonna end for today. Otherwise, otherwise, I'm expecting somewhere here. You should have a lower low. If we really get rejected, you should have a lower low. Lower low to somewhere around here. Oh, you want to retest the lower bound? That could probably trigger my stop loss. Okay, yes, still cannot break in the 21. Last minute, let's see if NQ can stay above in the 21. So ES reach the upper bar of the channel. If there's any seller right there, then there should be step in around the upper bound. Let's see. It's still uptrend. Let's see. If this candle will above ENA 21, or it get rejected. So let's see, 15 minutes. Okay, maybe we can set a stop loss right here. Okay, let's see ENA 21. If it has an effective rejection. Now we can see this new candle cannot reach to the upper bound of the channel at this time. And maybe it will back to something. Yeah, more realistic to be something here. We'll see. If this is an annual retest, then continue down, go down. Oh, ES is still trying to challenge ENA 21. But NQ cannot create a higher high this time. So last minute, we'll see. This could be a consolidated candle, or it could be the next candle will be stretch or reverse. So maybe we can set a stop loss here. Because NQ seems cannot create a higher high. Oh, NQ shows some red candle, but ES still show green. So it could be some divergence. I'll see if this is a stretch to the upside or um, if it's stretching to the upside, then I'll set my stop loss here. Okay, let me set the stop loss here. Let's see. The ENA 21 performs the defense after it breaks and switch to downtrend. Okay, big sellers come in, come out. Hey, buyers still want to push it up. Yes. Maybe ES is more better, is better structure. See, it just now it just at the retest level. While for NQ, I'm not sure if this is a retest or reverse because at the boundary, see, when it exceeds this breakout candle, it has some resistance or consolidation. Now it's trying to break out to the upside. God damn, I'm not sure what to do. Mm. Maybe I should not stand the limit order. I should wait until the reaction. I observe such a reaction, then I can gamble a little bit, like going a short at the upper bound of this sideways channel, and then set the stop loss somewhere around here. That will be safer. Yeah, I should not be too hurry, like, cause like this is like catching the frying knife. What if we just this is a liquidity and it goes straight to the upside? Right? So I need to wait until I observe such resistance. Yeah, potentially there could be a reverse. So I gambled a little bit, set a down, set a short order, limit short order around here. After I observe this star, something. Oh, it looks like this is gonna be a reverse setup. If this engulf to here, this downtrend candle, we will see. What about here? 300. And what about here? 500. Okay, keep going. Now it's just retest. See, retest to this sideway area. We cannot say, hey, it's resume, seller resume control. It's just seller is trying. It's just retest. Buyers still control from this subchannel. From the overall, we see the sellers, and this is the all-time high. So if we see something here, then this divergence may be malfunction and drop back around here. Let's see. For ES, I would like to see it close underneath this trend line. Oh, new candle. It does not. It does not close underneath the channel. But okay. And for NQ, this is just retest. Still like buyer control. Break, break, break. Come on, break the trend line. So for NQ, what's the trend line? Trend channel. Let me see. Something like this. Is steep. It's not like yes. It's like something. It's steep. So I'm not sure if NQ breaks the trend line and close underneath the lower bound of the trend line, that can confirm the seller resume control. So we'll see there. We'll see from there. See, NQ has already get even, but for ES, it's not even half. You cannot fight back. There are 3 more minutes to prove yourself. CES, it just cannot fight back. And it's still around the lower bow. Almost break the lower bow. So NQ should follow. Hmm. Where's my deck? Oh, for just a while, it just resumed downtrend. Okay, great. Keep going. Um, Great. And you retest to this previous support. And when you break out, then this becomes a new resistance and it's going down. Okay, great. Everything works as expected. So if it reaches this one, then if we reach here, then I'll move my trading stop loss because probably it will bounce back. It will just double bottom here and bounce back. I'll see. The last minute, it should close underneath this lower bow trend line. Otherwise, it's still sideways. You still need to take care. This time, I think I can move my something closer, reduce my loss a little bit. Because out of here, if you bounce back and something, that means that this is just a retest, and you keep continue going up. We'll see from there. But if you continue going down, oh, you reach here, I'll move my trading stop loss, secure my profit, at least 100 profit. Come on. So let's just wait. The hypothesis is like Dow Chance starts. If Dow Chance starts something. Otherwise, I will probably lose this $85. Lose 85 to make 500. I think it's very worth it. Oh, it's very close to ENA 200. Not sure if the ENA 21 will retest something here. Okay, he cannot fight back into the trend channel, so he leaves this channel. This is what I call like a bearish flag channel, bearish flag channel. Now he leaves this. Then I think after the compression of this candle, it reaches around here, then I can move my stop loss, trading stop somewhere here. Hmm. Even with this flash, then so many buyers, the volume is green. Why is green? And for all this, it's all red. Okay, is it reverse? The trading volume color and the candle color is reverse. But here, yeah, it's selling. Red means more sell order than purchase order, right? I think so. So gradually switching to seller control, see, becomes something and becomes engulfing bigger downward candle, downward engulfing, bigger downward candle in this flash. So you continue the down trend. Not sure if so. Here is already the opening low. Opening low. Not sure if it will retest to here. Okay, I guess I can move my stop loss here. At least I make 32. Yeah, just 32 is fine. This is ENA 21. At this time, ES reaches the bottom, so probably it's double bottom and going up. So if it exceeds here, I will go long because yeah, ES is equal level and something, but NQ is the seller does not even push to equal low and push it back. So if it triggers this, okay, engulf this one and trigger my stop loss. At least I make $32. I'm fine. So starting from here, either it goes down, so downtrend reduce. Otherwise, if on a bigger trend is still upward, then this is like double bottom. bounce back. So just in case it's double bottom, I move my trading stop loss here. Mm, just in case it's sideways here. It should not, if it's not reversed, it should not trigger my stop loss. Yeah, that's the hypothesis. Because for ES, it reaches the down. It reaches the previous verified support. I'm not sure what will happen if the seller still control the market. Or I mean, or today is an uptrend. So be very careful. For minute, we'll see how far it can go. While NQ is around 0.6. Yeah, this is a retest level. NQ, ES is and verify support level. So if there shows some engulfing, then maybe I just need to quit here and show the potentially gonna keep going up. So we'll wait for the compression of this candle. Let's see. Don't conclude too early. Uh, oh, keep going down. CES, if ES can close around here. Approve that it's continuing down. Yeah, at least I make $50. That's good enough. I'm happy enough. We'll see. Oh, oh, this could be a consolidation candle. Let's see. See, the candle is so small at this level. It's not a good sign. Because if we continue to go down, it should be flush and the candle size should be bigger and bigger and bigger or something. Because it's just switching from buyer control to seller control. And buyer just get hit something. So this is still at a verified support. Let's see. Let's see. $77. So if we can trigger my stop, so potentially it will be a rebound. We'll see. Uh, let's see a trend line. Maybe this one to here. Okay, it's already engulfing. Let's see. Because this is the first mini, so don't conclude so early. See, it's now creating a higher high. Yeah. If it trigger my stop loss, then that could potentially mean that then we'll see. We are interested to see if we can break this trend line. If we break this trend line, okay, go long. Yeah, same thing for ES maybe. Draw the trend line and see which one has a smaller candle at the boundary. Let's see. Don't conclude so early. See, ES has already fought back. At the boundary, there's some struggle. I understand that. The buyers want to resume control. Uh, Overall, today is a bull market. Okay, it creates a higher high. Engulf the peak point of the previous something. So be careful. Okay. Yeah, reverse engulfing candle happen at a verified support level. It's not a good sign. So we'll wait. We will not go up, go long at this time. We'll wait and wait for it to break this trend line. Just because this retest is to something. So maybe this trend line something is far away from here. See, if ES is engulfing this, it's very close to the trend line, but for NQ is so far away. So far away. Wait until the last second. We are interested to see. Oh, it looks like it continue to go down. But we cannot go short this time because it's at a verified support level. Okay, it's still engulfing. Not sure what's going on. Wait, if we break to downside, maybe we can go short from there. Because this is now is a sideway, and now see it's an hour momentum. Step in. Now don't conclude so early. It's sideway. Now it's still at a verified support layer. Anytime it can bounce back. Hmm. Sideways, sideways. Okay, it looks like let's wait for the compression of this candle. If we close, then maybe we can go a short trade here. If we stabilize underneath the range, underneath the verified support layer, it's more realistic to observe ES. Yeah, ES. Wait for the compression. There are 3 more minutes. Let's see. 2 more minutes. We'll see. Now I get rejected so much. I verify support. Let's see ES. If ES can stabilize underneath this support, create a low, high. Oh, this is what, yeah, this is what I don't have to see. Wait for the compression. So maybe it's reverse. At a verified support level, buyers eventually they come in and somebody defend here. So volatility around here. We'll see. Okay, it's still going up. Let's see if we break. If it will break. Uh-oh. Break the trend line. Then I'll buy in, go long. If ES break the trend line, ES is easier to break the trend line, then I'll go long at NQ. That means buyers resume control with this trend. This is the trend. This is just a retest, double bottom. Yeah, double bottom. Okay. This is the first, only the first mini. Zero retest and give me on ball. Okay. So my probably my Stop loss will probably here. Buy, sell. So my realistic take profit will be here. Fair enough, 1.2. So this is a double bottom. The answer is a double bottom. Good thing we wait until the compression of this candle rather than go a short trade here. Then we're gonna kick out. So it eventually breaks this trend line. Overall, it's an uptrend. Then to prove it, the market need to break this trend line, and it did for both ES and NQ. And I would believe this is a resume uptrend. Maybe a high, something, I don't know. Uh-oh, good retest. Oh, so eventually we'll retest here. So I can be more patient. Oh no. But if this becomes a bearish flag, a bearish candle, then I need to rethink on my decision. Oh, it will retest to here. So is this a liquidity and get rejected by yen 21? Maybe I should wait for the compression of this candle also. Come on, 2 more minutes. As long as you are the bullish candle, then I'll remain in the trade. So maybe I should stick to my decision that put a limit order here. Who knows? Maybe sometimes it just keep going up because the volatility from here to here and from here to here. From here, yeah, I just see, okay, a little bit formal, then you keep going up, but you end up like something here. Some sellers still want to push down, and now it's red. The last minute. Oh my God, it does not break. It does not break the trend line yet. So maybe it gets rejected. It's a liquidity speed and go straight down. I don't know. Come on, yes. Yeah, yes, fight back. Stay above the trend line, please. Okay. Buyers still, buyer resume control. EN 21 performs some defense. We'll see. Oh no, get defended by EN 21 again. But yes, please remain out above the trend line. Yeah. That way, you still have some hopes. Oh, see if he still get rejected, stay above the trend line, then I'll keep the trade. Mm, stay above the trend line, please. I'm not expecting you to stay above the year 21. Still get rejected by year 21. No, that's not a good sign. Maybe I just stick to my something, like set the limit order allowed here, so that I can get a better entry. Okay, stay above the year 21, please. Stabilize, stabilize. So that this is a double top. Oh, double bottom setup. Double bottom. And for ES, yes, double bottom. If it exceeds this neckline, then the double bottom is complete, and I'm pretty confident it will continue up. But now, I'm still not so sure. A little bit intimidating. You can retest somewhere, maybe switch to sideways. I'll wait for the next candle to close above the neckline. Then I will probably move my trading stop loss. Okay, new candle. Oh. So yeah, ENA 21 defense is still valid. So if it get rejected and go straight down, I would not be surprised here. That's why I said if it does not break the neckline. So here it break. So probably it will start retest to here. Even retest to here is a retest. Retest to here is a retest because this is still the upper bound of the trend line. That's what I mean. I need to wait for the compression of this candle. Move my trading stop loss. Either ES or like NQ move and close above the neckline. Neckline. Come on. If this is like something, then it should go a higher high than a little bit higher than here. Uh, we'll see. Where's the neckline? Oh, neckline is here. No, we still get rejected. See? Still get rejected. Neckline is here. Let's see how it goes. Something like this does not happen frequently. Something like this. This is even pre-market. Oh my God, how come pre-market is so huge, like momentum? One candle outpace here. Can you? Oh, yes, shows an downward intention. Then if it's a downward engulfing, then this is a lower high, lower high, lower high, lower high, lower high. That's not good. But NQ still shows the upward intention, so you'll keep holding the trade. Mm. Mm. You just cannot close above this line. Now it gets rejected, keeps getting rejected around here. And for years, it shows downward intention. God, this is dangerous. If I can have an entry around here, I will move my trading stop loss to be micro profit a little bit above my entry to secure because it's possible. Based on this, it's possible it's slash the downside. See, sideways. And for ES, it's downside, getting rejected by yen 21. So I'm not sure what will be the next step. But anchor still shows green candle. Keep going up. So I'm not sure. I'll keep holding the trade. If this is consolidate, then either this so small, then either this reverse or stretch or continue consolidate. Then I keep holding, but it's still dangerous. And consolidate for three candle, then maybe I'll need to quit the trade and wait for the breakout. Consolidate two candle is fine. It's tolerant. Oh, looks like gonna reverse. We gonna reverse. CES. This looks like intimidating. It creates a lower low. Oh, damn. Two minute. And now it's a reverse. Oh, boom. Now it looks like a reverse. Hmm. Because it's close to the previous support and become a new resistance. Besides, this is ENA 21. So it's a reverse, and but auto here is still the upper bound of this trend line. So it's still like retest. So we'll see. Okay, so auto here is just retest, deep retest. Oops, buyers step in, buyers resume, buyers go. Is another deep retest of liquidity sweep, and now buyers go up, becomes green candle. Oh, still red candle. Go. We have this deep rejection. I like this. That means buyers maybe probably still in control. So if ES breaks this trend line, that means something. So prove it. Okay, NQ starts to going up, green candle. It seems ENA 21 is performing defense, buyer defense. So it cannot close underneath ENA 21. What about yes? Oh, sellers still trying to push down. We'll see this time. Uh, no, this does not feel good. Oh, still sideways. If three candles are all sideways, then I need to quit. I need to quit the trade. If three candles are sideways, some sideways like this, and it feels like a diamond. If this is a higher high, diamond, diamond. So I'm expecting this to break out. Come on, there are two consolidation candle, two consolidation candle already. You don't need the third. If the third happens, I need to quit. And if you break out with a super long for the fourth candle, then this is not my trade. I can only afford I can only tolerate like two sideways candle. That's what I perceive as consolidation candle. Consolidation should not longer than 15 minutes. But look at ES. ES is always going down. It's NQ that is like horizontal sideways. ES is trying to go down. What happened? Okay, two more minutes. Let's see. ES, can you break out the trend line? If not, I will quit. Wait for the compression of this candle. If the compression is still like sideways like this, I'll quit. Especially ES. ES is keeps going down and not breaking the trend line. That makes me intimidated and not feeling good. Hmm, not feeling good. How much? I mean, I guess not that much. $3. Great. Better than nothing. I'm not there to go short because there is a verified support level here. So this time only look for long as long as ES break this trend line. Something. Or as long as there is a upward engulfing, then I will go long at this time. Trend line. Oh, it looks like this is sideways, downward triangle. Well, with this setup, you know what? If we break, then I'll go short. Maybe I need to withdraw the trend line, something like this, and connect this one and this one. Hmm. But for yes, this Chinese ending. Okay, side triangle sideways. Um, good thing we still make $30. Yeah, it's better than lose. So we'll see if we eventually break this trend line. Or for ES, it's like this one. Oh, oh. Maybe this is considering this is all-time high, something, and sideways, and rejected and keep going down. So, especially when the sudden volatility to go long and get rejected, something. So maybe we can try a short. And if we outbound here, then the stop. This is our stop loss, something. Oops. What? What happened? Trying to trap me. If I just okay, momentum comes in and go long, go short, then I'm gonna trap here and it keeps going up. But it still get rejected. Okay, see this one. Some big player want to go short, want to sell a lot, but some people defend here. So it's still side range. It's still sideways. Hmm. Mm-hmm. Maybe I should not just go into a sideways. Buy two, $90. Maybe I should not just get into a trade during the sideways. Something. Buy two, 44. Go. We'll see. Yeah, $33 is better than nothing. It's still sideways, it feels like, so it's better not to trade. Still sideways. So we'll figure out who's gonna win. Oh, so if we break out to the upside, that's reasonable. I can follow because overall it's an uptrend where it's coming close to the all-time high. But if it's a breakout to the downside, okay, I'll be conservative because this is sideways. I will wait for the downward channel bills. Bills now is sideways, horizontal sideways. Hmm. I don't know. Either way is possible. During a sideways, it's better not to trade. If you trade, then exit with a micro profit as soon as possible because you can never predict when you're gonna break out. What if this time you break out or the breakout? No. So let's wait for the breakout. If you check this trend line, yeah, for the first time, it looks like it's breakout and retest to the upper bow. Yeah, something like this. Um, Yeah, retest to the upper bow and then start to go up. And I believe you will conclude the same thing if you drop a trend line here, breakout and retest something. But this time I really want to see it break out the trend line. Make sure it's not a sideways, and then go from there. Count it as the okay trend confirm. If you want to go up or down. Let's draw one more trend line. It's from here to here. So let's see. Ciao. So I will not trade during the in the last 10 minutes. So I will not even enter into a trade in last 20 minutes of the market close. The volatility is not for retailing traders like me. So it's like more like gambling. Sometimes you can get extraordinary like profit, but that's gamble. You know, that's gamble. Okay, it's still defended by unit 21, see, and moving downward. So if we close underneath, then probably I'll go short from there. We'll see. Now it's still sideways. So we have seen rejection around here. Okay, still sideways. Oh my God. And not trade, no trading zone. Do we want to trade the breakout? We have seen so much something like this. So there should not be any fake breakout because it has been faked for so much. And we draw the trend line based on the lowest possible. Oh, looks like it's trying to go down. See if you can outplay things. And lower low. When you fight back, it gets rejected by yen 21, which is happens on both NQ and ES. Okay, then in this way, I can set my stop loss at yen 21. Mm. Oh, it returns to sideway area. Let's see. You have 3 more minutes. Is this a fake out? I think the EN21 is consistently performing defense. Maybe I should wait for the compression. See, it does not close underneath, so I'm entering into the trade a little bit early. Wait for 2 more minutes. See, it close underneath the trend line. Yeah, it cannot close. Then I enter the previous trade too early, so exit with some micro profit, $18. That's better than nothing. Last minute. Mhm. Not close. So probably we need to wait for one more candle. It's still sideways. Mhm. Okay, it looks like it, right? Should we wait? Because this is only the first meeting. If yes, close underneath here. Rejection. Mm. Mm. Mm-hmm. They just cannot break this line. CES. Okay. Hmm. Last minute. In the last minute, you show such rejection. Mm-hmm. Close above. And stop loss will be unit 21. Go. Go. This is like outpacing something. I'm waiting for the last second and something, but still, there's that. Okay, stop loss will be unit 21. Okay, this is the first meeting and it already engulfing. So this is a chat. I hope Yen 21 can still function. So I will set at ENA 21. Oh, you retest at here, and when you break to here, there's no retest. Because I want to see, okay, if we trigger here first card, if we retest here, then I will exit the trade with micro profit. I just retest here. It looks like it's far away, a little bit outbound, a little bit outbound, and flow defending exact precisely under ENA 21, and this is like underneath. So, not sure, but this is still upward engulfing. Is intimidating setup. Come on, push it down. Anchor is still engulfing. ES is even. So still cannot do like a breakout. See, fake breakout up for 5 minutes. I wait for the compression of the 5 minutes to step out of this something which I already called the peak, and it still step out. And now it's trying to trap me. Maybe this is a liquidity speed, and if it's not engulfing, then I can still keep holding the trade, and probably like it keeps going down. Afterwards, see ES. Oh, ES is not engulfing, but anchor is still engulfing. Okay, last minute. Let's see. Come on, ES is not engulfing. Well, anchor is still engulfing. This is look at this candle. So I will need to set out like stop loss something here. Sell, and this is like buy. Oh, pushed out. Come on. Um, keep getting defense by unit 21. Push it down. Hey, see, yes, it's already down. Maybe I should try ES. Oh my God. But anchor still want to go up and is engulfing. ES is not engulfing. Okay. Now it's just a retest. Seller has now zero control. Hmm. It's very difficult to tell because ES is just sideways, and there's no symptom gonna break up to the upside because it keeps going down. And ENA 21 is still performing defense. Buy like 4. So we'll see. Yes, still showing. Okay, yes, yes. Engulf this one. Come on. Okay, yes, keep going down. Engulf and consolidate the Dow chain. Come on. So NQ will probably need to follow because the overall market want to go down. That means if ES can engulf this, but if ES cannot, then means something. ES keep moving down, moving down. NQ is reluctant to moving down. Oh, okay. Yes, keep moving. Yes, still engulfing. No. Oh, not sure. Oh, ES get rejected. NQ is still green. That looks like here. Oh, we break to the upside. You see? Hmm. Four. Let's see this candle. If it will get rejected by ENA 21 again. Let's see ES because gradually it's moving down. And you retest to ENA 21 again. So, oh, keep going on. Boom. Okay. Resume down trend. Finally. Keep going. Oh. But now I need to leave the trade because it's still sideways. Oh, give me some micro coffee, please. Maybe I just need to something move to here. Uh-oh, uh-oh, uh-oh. Eventually get out of the trade. $4. Yeah, better than nothing. I'm fine. Yeah, I just don't want to stay in the trade during this sideway. God, Jesus. Maybe I should move something because I can make $50, it looks like. Yeah, I don't like to stay in the trade. No, this is still sideways. Okay, still sideways. Forget about it. Still sideways. See which one it breaks first. Mm-hmm. No, yes, is at the verified support level. So if it's engulfing upward, I would not be surprised. Okay, so if there is any support, if NQ will be first to stop, to break out. If NQ break out here, then I will go long with ES because there are some space for ES to go upward. While NQ is almost to the verified resistance level. We'll see for this one. Be patient, it's still sideways. Not only the first minute, it shows strong momentum to the upside. Let's see. Looks like trying to go up. This is second minute. Wait for the compression. Don't move. Wait for the compression. Okay, let's see if we retest to here eventually. So NQ has already outbreak. Oh, yes. You retest to order block. So sometimes see if you can arrive at here. Sell. Let's see. It break. Eventually break. Oh, this one. So we see NQ has already break. So that means the buyers are controlling the market and keep going up. Last minute. And ES is at the boundary. A little bit intimidating, but last minute, if you can close above this trend line, then that will be stable. Oh no, you fall back. That's why I said a complementary order to trying to rescue. Assuming that you are still like sideways rather than liquidity sweep and go straight down. I will set my stop loss here. We'll see if the last minute you will go to here. 25 minutes. Hmm. Maybe I just need to set the limit order here. See, I will get on board out here. That's way better. At least like $40. If I lose $40 less. If I win $40 more. So stick to my room. Stick to my room. And you retest to the upper bound and go up. So I can see more obvious pattern, right? Retest to upper bound, something. But even it's going up to here, going down to here, it's just retest the sideway area. Um, yeah, I was originally planning to set a limit order here. Now because I have some order, so the next order will be in the order block. Come on, NQ has already breakout. I think ES gonna follow. No. Okay. It's resuming uptrend. So previous high, something around here. Considering the RSI something, it has RSI has a lot of space to go up. Even for NQ, I wait for the breakout, I can set it here. That's the same thing. It's just that it's more obvious. I know where's the upper bound trend line. I can set it, and which is the upper bound of the previous sideways area. But for ES, I can only tell the sideways area because it's not breaking out. Now it's breaking out. Okay, just keep it going. Last meeting. Oh, 45 meaning 40. So we'll see this one. Oh, will go down. Okay, I'm gonna have some meetings, so I'm gonna end here. Uh, I'm gonna end the recording here so that I can join the meeting. So much for today. Thank you very much.